A special day is coming up where we want to take extra care of our relationships with yourselves, with your family, and with your significant others, etc. I came up with a few outfits for different types of activities you might do on this occasion, which hopefully will help give you some inspiration. I don't want to break the flow of the video, so I'm going to tell you the 3 activities I chose, and also which criteria I am using to judge the winning outfit per activity. We have outdoor dining, stay-at-home cooking, and also movie night. For outdoor dining, I really wanted to take advantage of the only time I leave the house ever. So cuteness is what I'm optimizing for here. I'll also add comfort level as a gauge, but it's really not what I care about here. As for stay-at-home cooking, it doesn't need to be an outfit that is super warm because I'll be inside the whole time. But it needs to be easily convertible because I'll likely go grocery shopping in the morning. Comfort matters here because I'll be at home, and who doesn't want to be comfortable at home? On top of comfort, I also value cuteness here because it is a special occasion, and nowadays I take every chance I get to dress up. Now, movie night is all about comfort. The success metric here is either I have reached potato status or I have not reached potato status. So hopefully all of my outfits will reach potato status. But not only will I be the critic of these outfits, Eric will also be a critic for these outfits. So between the two of us, hopefully we can find a winner in each category. At the end, after you've seen all the looks, we'll then pick the winningest outfit out of each category.
Make me a banger, big boy.
I don't know which way to turn, or could this be reality? I don't know which way to turn, or could this be reality? I remember days like that, like that, like that. I don't know which way to turn, or could this be reality? I don't know which way to turn, or could this be reality?
Make me a banger, big boy.
end. These 3 are the winningest outfits of each category. If I were to do these things like outdoor dining, or stay-at-home cooking, or movie night, I now know what to wear. But obviously, being the extra individual that I am, I'm organizing a photo shoot with Eric. Okay, thank you, bye!